Hello my dear student of class 7. Today we will start exercise number 2.7. This is part 1. That means first class of this exercise. So in the previous classes we already learned about multiplication of decimal. Now today we will learn about division of a decimal. So exercise number 2.7, number 1. Here number 1, 0.4 is divided by 2. Now we should convert this decimal number in fraction. That means 0.4 means 4 by 10. This is fraction. Now we already done division of a fraction. So this is division of a fraction. Now we convert the decimal division of a decimal by division of a fraction. So 4 by 10, 0.4 means 4 by 10. This is divided by 2. So we should write in the next line, this is 4 by 10, this sign by multiplication sign, and 2 write the reciprocal of number 2. Reciprocal means 1 by this number. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Now we simplify this. 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 1 2 and 10 10. So this is 2 by 10 means we shifted this decimal point by 1 places to the left side. So we convert in this side, that means 0.2. Now in a similar way, next number 2. It is given 0.35 divided by 5. So this is equals to, we convert this decimal number in fraction. So this is 35 by 100 divided by 5. Now in this portion we change this sign and write this reciprocal of this number. So we should write this multiplication sign, and reciprocal of 5 means 1 by this number, that means 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, simplify it, 5 7s are 35. So this is equals to 7 by 100. That means we should convert this decimal point by 2 places, that is 2 zeros. So 2 places in left side. So this is 0.07. Now next number 5. Here is given 651.2 divided by 4. This is equals to, first we convert this in fraction. So 6512 divided by, there is one number after decimal. So this is divided by 10. It's divided by 4 equals to, we write this as same, and next we change this sign by multiplication and write this number, this reciprocal of this number, that means 1 by 4. So if we simplify this, then we get 1628. So 1628 into 1, that means 1628 by 10. So we convert, we shifted this decimal point, that means in the last of this number, by 1. So this is shifted in these places. So we get 162.8. Now next number 7. 3.96 divided by 4. Here we convert this in fraction. So this is equals to 396 by 100. It's divided by 4. Now in next line we convert this sign and write the reciprocal of this number. So we write 396 by 100 into 1 by 4. That means this is 99. So this is 99 into 1. That means 99 by 100. So you get 0.99. Now next number 8. Here given 0.80 divided by 5. So we convert this in fraction. That means we write this number. So this is 80 by, and is 2 number after decimal, by 100 divided by 5. So in next line we convert this sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number, that means 1 by 5. So we get 5 16s are 80. So 16 by 100, that means we shifted this decimal point by 2 places in the left side. So this shifted in these places. This is 0.16. Now this is number 1. Next we try same division of a decimal number by 10. Here at first number 1 is given 4.8 divided by 10. So in the similar way of first, this is same as number 1. So we should convert this decimal number in the fraction. So this is 48 by, here is one number after decimal, 48 by divided by 10, and next 48 by 10, we convert this number and convert this multiplication and write the reciprocal of 10. Reciprocal of 10 means 1 by 10. That means 48 by 100. So we get 0.48. That means we shifted the decimal point in the left side by 2 places. Now next number 3. 0.7 divided by 10. So this is equals to 10, 7 by 10 divided by 10. So 7 by 10, this is into, and 10, 1 by 10, that means 7 by 100. So this is 0.07. Now next, number 5. Now we see that from math number 2, 1 and 3, we get, if we divide a decimal number or a number by 10, then we obviously get this number. That means her number is 4.8 and this required value is 0.48 by divided it by 10. So if we divide any number by 10, then we shifted the decimal number by 1 places in left side. So if we divide 4.8 by 10, then we get 0.48. That means this number. And in the next we get similar. That means if we divide 0.7 by 10, then we shifted this point in this side. Here is 10, so we shifted by 1 places in left side, that is 0.07. So in the similar way, if we divide this number by 10, then we shifted this decimal point by 1 places in the left side, then you get 27.223. And next we get, so here is decimal point in this places, so we shifted this by 1 places in the left side, so you get 0.056. So this is number 2. Now we see that from exercise number 2.6 and 2.7, we get, if we multiply a number by 10, so divide a number by 10, then we shifted the decimal point by 1 places in the left side. And if we divided a number by 100, then we shifted the decimal point in the left side by 2 places. So this is exercise number 2.71 and 2. You should try at your home the numbering method from number 1 and 2 in this similar way. So next day we should try from number 3. Thank you.